Shri Francis Koshia, Inspector General of Police, Reserve, Police Radio, Fire and Emergency Services has arrived. Kindly rise and we welcome him. I also take this opportunity to welcome our guests of honor, Shri Jaswal Nongspo, the members of St. Francis de Sales School Development Society, members of the school managing committee, and all our special invitees. Dear audience and spectators, for every school, organizing sports event plays an important role in school education. Such events help children developing their motoric skills and provide motivation to the children for doing physical activities.